Jimmy, Bryan Acheampong Mike. Now you will be doing say, oh, Bryan here or Bana, waba be in much like but there be a Bryan corner when you break. Why Bryan Acheampong?
Didi kan mame enda wase na mesenchia omo muti ne omo hwe
94.1
minchia mnia Penny Victor
is it unifier?
Yeah onyine nyame adoma 31st of January 2026 NPP for Kotoaba a candidate that is a flag bearer and it should be Dr. Bryan Acheampong because one was shoes or a unifier because as it stands now
94.1
previous elections
EZRA 94.1 FM
between the two candidates
94.1
EZRA Dr. Bawumia and EZRA Ken Agyapong.
Okay.
We are about to crowd tea in semi Kosoa EZRA Bawumia and for say Sembia, you're honorable Ken Agyapong Kaye. And I mind this for the Yan so be the a hand time a camera man for 40 years, to Betian. And Cecilia, now some hero about me uncle for so can say. A dear year Ken Agyapong the year about me, man in Lucian. Namia do say on Sunya or bar almost to be wedding. A bayan.
Oh, I see.
What you see? And uti uko into the public domain na uti obi to say abua papon na uti obi to say aburanya. These are two people omugina hodema these two sides are ten bia won say we two money we penny na we so to the money we penny nti say you present any of these two candidates the probability say the other will rise up and campaign against even their own member a high. And why say NDC present a new face? You because will be a bar, sa candidate will be on one internal opponent.
EZRA 94.1
in the main election, that is the 2028. Again, I believe say it should be Bryan Acheampong because on Oba on board. Uni camp be any issue or you'll be or yet tried in terms of a juma the man na prof say only experience ebia prof in shedding your time and study the background because Cecilia me no kase say odini fie kura example at least na near 52 years okonanim. Secondly, you share on one cassa na braba wabebo. Okay, dear one cassa with me do a brabaye. And the my to me yen as was a be a nipper we are ban. Maybe you free our body, what you may dear one man for.
94.1
into me and share the odeba. Dr. Bryan Acheampong combines a business as an entrepreneurial person and then will be a academia so or yeba academia na okuta doctorate no PhD enye abudi honorary doctorate okuta doctorate ankasa go online and check ne publications go away. What I say PhD no okuta 2 uba masters okuta 4 the other degrees in the other certificate programs no got me person make am wasem academia no yeba the business angle na go to Rock City. The only Ghanaian ene or the Ghana atomaposo. Okay, one of the largest hospitality industries in Africa, which may establish it. And uko the Eastern Regional, he's building one of the airport award the longest runway in the world. The airports are award the longest runway in the world. As a member of parliament for the past, me fan say 3 times in the elections are working na no post 2016 no post 2020 no post 2024 no post Again, a bemo will be on the post in this regard. And the contribution to the constituency. When you 65 years now, the constituency or shops are shopping free. You don't pay.
65 years.
Who is 65? Who is 65 years and above when the constituency? Or shopper, you don't pay. Yes, supermarkets on Nankasa through the Bryan Acheampong Foundation. Why establish these shops when the constituency one ma? We are above 65 years. How can you do free shopping?
I see.
We a taxi driver. Our Bryan Acheampong constituency every year we are almost 500 Ghana fuel.
EZRA 94.1 FM.
Until within the 4 years now or several as a member of parliament, and every year we are now. 2,000 Ghana cedis worth of fuel. I was so we a taxi driver and one constituency. We a voter within the constituency. Every the term no best 4 years no. We have 2,000 Ghana cedis worth of fuel. Oshe enyema or ye the boa the constituency na. It shows that because some of the communities are their backgrounds. Some of the communities even in the Ashanti region here, you see their backgrounds among for the year funerals, weddings, festivals. Go there and see the kind of their backgrounds are OCC. And when you get there and you look at his personality, Sebio as a businessman and then as an academia, any choir wa firstwa on your mount for native chroma. Unum say dran up oko jogging efa constituency among for who no muchia no, and I witnessed these things myself. There are MPs. There are MPs.
Very small constituency.
Very good. Intina Mitchell say we are talking about the panel background out there. The Wutumia, the Rock City is a community on its own.
Yeah, I've been there. I know that.
With over 700 buildings.
EZRA 94.1.
700 buildings, oh, and not when just short structures, so minimum the etwaso be a minu anamiensa. There is no short structure. And I will share the history of that place now. The people within that area never thought to say Obi bet me develop that area. Until now, Rock City. The Ukrainian say crowds will be quite as so baby never knew you or one say a Bawumia. Unis account me in developing. But then they were bro at 700 and they go on.
Victor, but you said something, say, or a unifier.
Yes.
Yeah, recently, come make a comment and Bawumia cry no cause submitting the forms, no. He has to respond in another way.
Yes, a very good
and Bryan, even when he was a minister, the comment I know make on NPP platforms, Ghana for the one no ever say no. I'm not sure say when given the opportunity to Bryan Acheampong, the NPP will be worse off.
Yeah,
in terms of communication,
Mami that was it. And one thing I was say who about Dr. Bryan Acheampong. 4 Ds. 4 Ds. 1, or you decisive. Say kase be decisive. You take a decision say we no obey their boy and no one obey on the standard dream. Once it is communicated to the people, say I want to do this and not obey.
Okay.
Or discipline. Say ye cry ye nkwalai. Say we know mama no papa tifi na tembia no papa no, they want the right thing. They want things to be done in the right way and in the right manner. And you see me papa dey straight dodo. Nipa we dey or pena dey chinche. Discipline.
Add two.
Or ye driven. Or niema a driver no.
Okay.
Values are a driver no. A man to me achieve do this thing and to be a so person. And then some make say the airport with the longest runway in the world no. Or niemo dey scene and so person achieve that. At the Ghana dinner serpent so on.
Okay.
What you see? Into all these things put together, it shows you say nipa number. And relatively to us now we can say oko can be no. But person who can some crow kind.
Memo anamenka.
Bo.
Okay, so MC, I will get that video ready na
but before say
very
well before say obeborn unso we video na ba bonten na ye party we mo enkomo bi wo wa ye din wo edem tie ni ye pa entitem bi edru say ye kwakoyi obi ama na be lead party na
you meet them,
we try to meet them obi wonum kra na bia onim say nipa we on support but e bia otie wasemo a
EZRA
you can buy into your message and
EZRA
then try to
94.1
follow you
FM.
and support the ideas away then. Oh, but one of the unfortunate things is at times when we meet like that now, some people are on your side. When you're messian, they take advantage. They do certain recordings and then they put it out.
you know them come up.
Within the party, there.
Yeah, I agree with you.
When them come up,
but the conversation on it on penda da kofoko di na ya them come up. But he brought it out.
Ntina make say enkomo bi wo ho a de e ba abonte a wo make reference to. No, okay. Say e obi na we den or the form e be due during the meeting. And as a party, issues are internal. When we meet, we should be able to talk about it.
Okay, but that's